Back to Falmouth after Plymouth via Foy, we are planning our passage west to Newlyn.
You are all going to die.
Good morning from Falmouth, where it's a touch fresh. The engine was misbehaving on the way in, but seems okay now. We will find out otherwise in the later episode. We originally thought of heading for Penzance, but friends advised us that entry could be tricky, so we set off instead for Newlyn, the fishing port next to Penzance. Ready to go and underway. Off we go! It's a lovely day. The weather could be wonderful if we had any wind. But we will try to sail anyway.
Call us a wave. Call us a wave. The wavelet. The waveczka.
Waveczka. Antonis just made up Polish word for little wave.
I don't remember name.
Alfred.
From this marriage.
Yeah.
Jamaica in.
Mary, because I just read Jamaica Inn by Daphne du Maurier. The story starts with Halford, and now we were here. Amazing. We have to keep a sharp lookout for fishing nets and pots, because there are lots of them around this part of the coast. Lizard Point is the most southerly point of Great Britain. It's right here. Strong currents mean it's a place where you should only sail with care and keeping a safe distance. Sometimes it seems we are not moving at all. With the engine on and two languages all the time, it's sometimes difficult to communicate, even more when two skippers have different ideas.
I don't know what you want to tell me. Sorry?
You can say, you know. 15. Perfect condition. Why we don't say?
I got a fish!
Well done. Witaj, piękna. Zapamiętam cię na całe życie, jesteś moją pierwszą.
What is I something? Time to do photos properly. So
Taka.
Life on board. A happy crew heading towards sunset. But it wasn't quite as idyllic as it looked. Our engine problem had returned. We traced it to a split in the leak of pipe and patched it up, but the bilges were full of dirty fuel. We only just made it into port under sail and power. Even then, it wasn't easy for me because of the Cornish accent. And we have to hunt around to find the right pontoon, where the harbour master came to help us tie it up. But we are here, Newlyn. The name comes from Cornish, means fleet pool. I knew Newlyn from Stanhope Forbes paintings, which I discovered as an art student. So I was interested to see it for real. It's a real working fishing port, very different from a marina, in a nice way. We are delighted to have stopped here. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for our journey home. Bye!